What's up guys, it's your girl Cam and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, then welcome, and I really hope that you join the Cam fam by hitting that subscribe button down below. And you guys, we're so close to my 500 subscriber giveaway, I can't believe it. We're so close, so make sure to subscribe, and that'll probably be coming up in like a couple videos hopefully, so I cannot wait to give away a bunch of stuff to you guys, to thank you so much for subscribing, for supporting, and just being awesome. So thank you so much. And I've got a couple of actually different videos coming up because of a huge event in my life that's going to be going on. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be interesting to say the least. But today I kind of wanted to, ring in fall, which I have like summery flowers behind me right now, so I need to go buy like a glittery pumpkin and a fall candle or something like that. I'm not quite ready for fall. I'm trying to get in the fall like mood. I'm still thinking summer in my head because it's like 83 degrees outside right now, so I still want it to be summer so bad, but I wanted to do something to try to get myself in the fall mood. And as you guys know, I love BoxyCharm. I used to do a lot of the subscription boxes, and then I stopped because I didn't like getting like a bunch of little sample sizes and stuff. And it just added up to being a lot, and I would rarely get stuff that I liked. But I love BoxyCharm. It's really the only subscription box that I've stuck with recently. And as you'll see, a lot of the stuff in my upcoming like 500 and 1,000 subscriber giveaways are going to be a lot of stuff from BoxyCharm, because honestly, to me, it's kind of like, I feel like I get PR every time I get the box, to where like I could never use all the stuff in the box. Like I would be a hoarder if I did, I feel like. So I'm going to be giving a lot of BoxyCharm stuff in my giveaways, a lot of some pretty big items, so stay tuned for that. But today I did this look with the Violet Voss Essentials palette, and this is kind of the same size as her like smaller 2-row palettes. So this is what the palette looks like, and it's actually got some really nice colors for fall. It definitely helped get me in a fall mood. So if you didn't get this in your BoxyCharm, I know a lot of you who do subscribe to BoxyCharm probably got this, but if you didn't, you can also get it on the Violet Voss website. I don't believe it's in Sephora, but it's definitely on the Violet Voss website. I did see it there. And the really cool thing about BoxyCharm is that they usually give you a pretty nice discount for like the featured brands that are in the box. So I know that right now there's a discount for Violet Voss from BoxyCharm if you didn't get it and really wanted this one. So if you're digging this look, please hit that like button down below for me, and let's get into the breakdown of this eyeshadow look. Okay, so the first color I'm gonna grab is the shade Sand, and I'm just gonna take that on a really big fluffy brush and start placing it in the crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Terracotta, and with a slightly smaller crease brush, I'm just going to deepen up the crease with this even more. I'm also going to start patting it in the outer corner of the lid. Then with an even smaller brush, I'm going to dig into the shade Cinnamon and start really trying to deepen up this outer V in my crease. And then I'm just blending that out with some Terracotta again. And then I'm using Sand again just to do a very general blend. Okay, so now with that all blended out, I'm going to take some of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm going to do a half cut crease with it. And then I'm very quickly going to fill it in with the shade Gold. Now dipping back into the shade Terracotta, I'm going to use that to blend this edge. Alright, now I'm just going to repeat this on the other eye. Now once I have the half cut crease done on both eyes, I'm dipping back into the shade Cinnamon just to deepen up the outer edge a little bit more. And then I'm going to sweep a little bit along the lower lash line, just about a third of the way in. Now for the rest of the lower lash line, I'm taking the shade Emerald and I'm packing it on my lower lash line with a wet shader brush to really bring out that shimmer. Now I'm going to use the shade Cream for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. So now I'm just going to do a thin line with my L'Oreal gel eyeliner in Black is Black, and I'm also going to put some black eyeliner in my waterline, and I'll be popping on my Kiss Lashes in Midnight, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Okay, and so here's the finished look. Okay, my loves, so that's it for this video. I hope that you liked the way this eyeshadow look turned out. I know I do. It's totally got me feeling like having a pumpkin spice latte right now, even though I'm keto, so I need to figure out how to make that without carbs. But anyway, if you liked this video, then please hit that thumbs up button down below. And as always, I'm gonna leave you with a couple more videos by me that you can check out. And then don't forget to click on my face to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.